What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we'll look at market performance for the past 24 hours. Right after that, we'll look at prices in details. And last but not the least, we'll look at our positions. Are we going up? Are we coming down? Whatever we're doing. Again, this is, as a trader, you need to do these three things at least once or twice a day. Okay? But, excuse me. Let me set this down. Before we do all that stuff, guys, I was really baffled today. I was baffled. Apparently, it seems like me saying Casper is going to $10, I was wrong. Because there is somebody out there, and again, I'm going to leave the link below. Okay, I'm going to leave the link below, and there is somebody out there that has been proven so many times. Like I was just looking at it and I was like, dang, he's being accurate so far. Okay, so far he's been accurate. He's a guy that works a lot with charts. Okay, I will leave the link so that you can go and look at it yourself, because this thing is a very, very long post, and I would love you guys to just look at it and entertain yourselves. Okay, apparently he thinks not 10. Come on. You think not $10. Casper is going to $15 by January 2026. That now even supports the theory. I've been telling you guys for days, weeks, and even months now that this bull run is about to end in 6 to 8 months. It's not going to last till December like a lot of people think. The only coin that is going to be running, okay, by December, January, thereabout, is going to be Casper. It's going to be that simple. I put my charts differently from what he did his. But again, he kind of, when you read at it, when you look at those charts, and then you look at everything coming up for Casper, you can't go wrong. Okay, but again, regardless, we are going to still still looking at the market every day to see if the bearish momentum is kicking in or everything that is happening. But it's just amazing how his charts and everything that he put to support his argument, how it lines out and how everything goes. Like, it's amazing, man. You gotta go look at that, and you need to read it. It's a little bit long. Okay, so yeah, I am confident. Again, I'm telling you guys, Casper is going to $10, and here there is somebody that thinks it's going to go more than $10 with proofs and facts. So yeah, here you want to be outside talking about comparing Casper's price action right now because of the movement that a testnet asset is doing. Well, that is up to you. It is up to you. And that out, okay, I got like this guy was asking me like, okay, explain yourself why you think the Bitcoin price is going to drop, and it's going to drop like a rock this week. Okay. Come on. And again, I will try to explain it again without using the wrong grammar. That way my YouTube channel doesn't get penalized, okay? It's a simple thing. If you look at the U.S. economy now, the Fed, we are cutting interest rates. That's what we are doing. Right, we are cutting interest rates, and if you don't want to see it, I don't know where you live. We're going into a recession. Economy is gonna get hit really bad, really bad. So that's what's happening right now with the U.S. And again, just like I've been telling you guys, they are gonna pump these markets. Okay, that way they get ready, so that people don't hurt. Those that have that big money up there, they don't hurt when this thing happen. So therefore, They are cutting rates, and once they pump it, you will see Bitcoin up there 160. If they push it, 180. I don't think it's gonna get that high, but probably between 140, 160. But let's see what it will happen. So yeah, U.S. cutting interest rates, and as you can see, people are selling their bonds, trying to keep that profits, right? They're trying to keep that profits, because when interest rate goes to zero, that's when people are going to start borrowing a lot of money from the government. Okay? They are going to start borrowing a lot of money from the government to put into economies that they still have a higher interest rate. Understand? That way they make money out of it. That's the opposite of what happened with the Japanese banks. Okay? The Japanese federal bank, what they did, they had interest rate to zero. Okay, interest rate to zero. A bunch of people, a lot of people, they borrowed from the Japanese money and put it into the U.S. that had higher interest rates. Okay, come on. They put it into the U.S. or other countries or the economies that had a higher interest rate. That way they get interest out of the money invested, but the money they got it from the Japanese central bank. That's how that works. It's like I borrow money here and I lend it to you for an interest rate. People bought US bonds, people bought Bitcoin. A lot of it probably went into buying Bitcoin and other assets. Okay, as you can see, things like that happen. And lo and behold, what happened, I think it was August. You guys saw the crash that happened in August, right? The most recent one was in August. Japanese, they went from zero, raised their interest rate up. Therefore, those of you or everybody who borrowed money from them now have to pay interest on the money that they borrowed. You understand? Oh, sorry. I'm not explaining it right. They raised the interest rate up, okay? And people that, as long as they saw that the interest is coming up, people had to sell Bitcoin, sell US bonds, sell, other economic assets from the stock market, all that stuff, and put it back into the Japanese economy, because they are going to now receive a higher interest. You understand what I'm trying to explain? So they put it there. What's going to happen by this Friday? They're even going to raise that interest rate even higher, and exactly the same. Okay, hold on. Let me show you right quick. Okay, hold on for a second. So as you can see here, since 2024, the Bank of Japan has raised interest rates twice. Okay, negative 0.1 to positive 0.25. The market currently expects the interest rate to be raised to 0.45. Okay, so this right here, okay, what happens that it makes the Japanese yuan attractive. The Japanese money, I don't know what it is called. It makes the Japanese yen, it makes the yen very attractive, and people will want to invest into the Japanese economy, because the interest rate now is going to give them a lot of money. Okay, now let me show you another one that, so that you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, give me a second right quick. So as you can see here, back in 2024 in August, you guys saw what happened. The Japanese, they raised interest rates into the from their central bank, and Bitcoin fell all the way down to $49,000. It's not the first time. They've done it twice. It has happened, and every time they did, Bitcoin dropped like a rock. Okay, so yeah, so that is something I'm trying to tell you. Like, you guys have to understand. Look at this. This one says 6 days ago, Bitcoin price at risk amid Bank of Japan's interest rate hikes, because people already know this happened before, and it's going to happen, because like it's no brainer. Okay, excuse me. Let me go here. It's not brainer. You're gonna make more money right there because the interest is gonna be a little higher. Therefore, people are going to sell a lot. You are going to see the stock market crash because it happened before. It did happen, and I've been warning people about this for how long now? I don't know. And I've been telling you guys, prices, a lot of pain is coming. There's still going to be a lot of pain because right now they are going to almost, they're about to raise to almost 50 bases. That's what they're about to do right now. And everybody else is busy singing Kumbaya, Bitcoin to 130,000. And guys, unless it can get there before Friday, I don't know what to tell you. But you guys already know, in my millionaire journey, we are not here to lose money. We are in the business of making money. So yeah, sit on the sidelines and wait. As a matter of fact, you can see people are calling for a diamond pattern on the Bitcoin. And I keep telling you guys, that is not what's happening. Bitcoin was in a rising channel. That channel broke downwards, and that price is going to go back to the base of the channel. That's what usually happens. It's like a falling wedge. When price breaks out of a falling wedge, it goes to the base of the falling wedge. Okay? If it's in a rising wedge, that price breaks down, it is going to go way back down to the base of that rising wedge. That's simple as that. Okay? Unfortunately, it is going to affect a lot of altcoins. It's going to affect a lot of people, and that's what you're supposed to be prepared for. Okay, therefore, I am here telling you that the coins that we are trading in this my millionaire journey this week is going to be a lot of volatility. It's up to you if you want to listen or if you don't want to listen. It's going to be a lot of come on. It's going to be a lot of buying and selling. It's going to be that, but ultimately, we are going back down to $90,000 or even lower for Bitcoin. For Casper, yeah, we have to look first. 12.4, I was looking at those charts a little bit earlier. 12.4 cents is our first start, and after that we have 11.7, and after that we have the 10.2 to 10.5. Those are the levels that we are watching to see if we can reverse from there or not. But if Bitcoin drops to $90,000, yeah, unfortunately, Casper will have to visit the lows again. And once he visits that, he's going to take off from there. And that actually lines up with what I've been telling you guys, that the catalyst to pump Casper is not there yet. It's going to come in a week and a half, 2 weeks. Because this Friday, the Japanese banks, okay, once they do what they do, it's going to crash. And the U.S. is going to come in. Instead of raising interest rates, U.S. is cutting interest rates. Although the market is still undecisive, we don't know if they're going to hold it right there where it is, or if they're going to drop interest rates some more. Okay, so that's still a little bit of up in the air. Nobody knows, but for sure, price of Bitcoin and stock market and a lot of stuff is going to drop by Friday when the Japanese central bank raises their interest rate. I don't know if I explained myself, but yeah, that is what you got to look at. That's what it is. There's a lot of pain coming. A lot of pain. That's why my dry powders on the side, like I told you guys, I'm trying to enter those trades at the absolute bottom or close to the bottom. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Everybody else is trying to, they're cooking that hot potato. They're cooking it. They're warming it up so hot. And when it drops, come on. And when it drops, I hope you are not the person they hand it to, because you already know how it goes. Take it from your right, hand it to the next person to your left. I hope you are not the last person on that line, like when you want to look on your left and there is nobody there to hand it to, and you start juggling that thing around. So yeah, I hope I explained it better. Okay, so expect this to happen this week. That's as simple as that. Anyways, now let's go look at the market right quick. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's go to my crypto bubble. Crypto bubbles right quick. We have that one right here. And as you can see, we are on the weekly. This is what I'm telling you guys. This thing, it looks like a lot of people are getting ready for this. I've been saying it since even before the Trump came into the office. Guys, there's going to be a lot of pain. So as you can see, we're on the weekly. This thing is still showing pain everywhere. And if you look at the daily, come on, open my daily real quick. See that? Nothing changed but the name on the mail. We still red everywhere. Look at the last hour. The same thing. And the funniest thing, okay, look at this. Let's just check Trump right quick. Trump coin. Because I was telling people, guys, stay away from this thing. And nobody wanted to pay nobody wanted to pay attention. Can you believe that this Trump coin was up, was it how many billions of dollars? Please remind me on the chart, because I think this thing was up almost 40 or 50 billion dollar market cap, or even higher. And now look at the market cap. They handed the hot potato to the next person faster than you could say hello. This is why I was telling people, stay away from this thing. And yet people are talking about, yeah, it's gonna pump. Anyways, well, good luck with that. So let's look first. We're going to start with King Casper. KAS. For the last hour, Casper is up 0.3%, 3.9% down on the day, 5% down on the week, 7.9% up on the month, and 35.6% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $3.35 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $59.64 million. Looking at Quant QNT, we go here down 0.9% the last hour, 2.5% down on the day, 6.1% down on the week, 3.7% down on the month, and 8% up on the year. Sitting at the market cap of $1.65 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $44.60 million. Looking at Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin, JAS, we have it 0.7% down the last hour, 4.1% down on the day, 19.2% down on the week. Wow. 23% down on the month, and 447 down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.3 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $67.06 million. And looking at last but not the least, Cubic, with this one, like I told you guys, high risk, high reward. We're sitting at for the past hours, we are down 0.6%, 1.1% down on the day, 10.2% down on the week. That does not surprise me. I told you guys, a little market cap. The price can move up easily, up or down. Anyways, on the month, we are down 18.3% and 18.1% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $271.39 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $4.63 million. As you can see, most people are trying to buy and hold. As you can see, the trading volume has dropped again. Anyways, now here, let's go here. So if you look at those numbers, you can tell that Jasmine, like I told you guys, Jasmine follows Bitcoin. Bitcoin dips, Jasmine is gonna dip. Bitcoin run, Jasmine is gonna run. I am going to show you Bitcoin charts at the end of this so that you guys can compare by yourself. I've been telling you this for what now, a week, 2 weeks, that everybody's bullish, but everybody's wrong. It is very wrong, because Bitcoin is not about to run yet. We still have a lot of things happening. When you look at the world's economy and what countries are doing, some like Japan is about to do, and it's a lot of things going on, you would know that Bitcoin, yes, is going to run, but not yet. I think by the end of this month or beginning February, middle of February, then you're going to have Bitcoin starts to run, but not yet. Okay, we have to see the market crashing. Starting this Friday, you're going to see a lot of crash, and then people are going to try to buy this right there. But one thing I got to tell you, if Bitcoin does not hold at 90%, I mean at 90,000, there's going to be a lot of FOMO. It's going to be like a chain reaction that's going to probably continue to down to 85 or between 83 and 85,000, and that is when there's going to be a lot of people buying this thing like it was going out of style to start pushing it back up. You understand? That's what I see. Anyways, now let's go look at the prices. Let's go look at the prices in little details. All right, quick. So we start with Trading View. First of all, we're going to start with King Casper. You guys already know. Prices in details, really there's not much to be said, because like just like I've told you guys, we are still going down. It is something that, yeah, I don't know. No matter how you try to look at this, it is still going down. It is going down there. Okay, now something I was looking at earlier today, somebody's like, yeah, probably it's gonna be a descending triangle, ascending triangle, or stuff like that. I can entertain that idea, but the thing I'm telling you guys, like we have a lot of trading activity. Okay, if you let me take my arrow right quick. If you look right here, see all this lot of activities, 12.7. This right here, we have a lot of price action. So yeah, we might have a little bit like this thing coming down, gets there and keep on going. But yeah, it's a little bit difficult. I can't tell you it's going to happen. I think this thing is coming back down to the support, and the support we have, like I told you guys, 12.4. Once we come here, then let's see if we can support here and then bounce. Yeah, that will be a good news. But if we do not support, if it doesn't support itself around that 12.3, 12.4, and it falls below, yep, get ready, because we are going back to those 10.2, 10.5, thereabout. And again, look at it on the 4 hours to be really be sure. Look at this. This is why I'm telling you. Let me try to zoom out right quick and go this way. See? That right there is something that you a lot of guys are still not believing their eyes. I'm telling you, my lines, if you've been following my channel, you will know I've had these lines for a while, and as you can tell, they do respect, okay, the price action. They do respect it. So yeah, we are coming down. We got rejected, like I told you guys yesterday. A lot of people were like, yeah, we're back, and I told you, no, we're not. What you usually do, price falls, okay, retest is the previous support as resistance, and down we go. So this thing is going to come back down. Once it gets here, let's see what happens. If it doesn't, then yeah, get ready for more pain. That's what's happening right now. Even if you add what I just told you about Japan central bank, yeah, for sure this thing is going to come down. Okay, so again, until next week, I don't think we can be able to do any TA that is much more bullish than what you're looking at right now. Okay, now let's go look at Quant right quick. I told you guys Quant was bullish. Quant has a lot of bullish momentum towards it, and a lot of you who did believe what I've told you, and I know you guys are probably making money right now if you're a day trader. Okay, if you're not a day trader, like I always say, I put in my positions and I scale it up. As you can see, we are still ranging on Quant between $100 and $125. $100, $125, and it's consolidating. The good thing about this consolidation, if you look at the MACD and you look at the RSI, they are resetting already. So yeah, round 5 money, we're almost there. It is almost there. So yeah, look at Quant. This is so like a nice chart for you to look at. We are consolidating, going sideways. Okay, not dumping, not pumping, not dumping. It is just consolidating. And yes, once this thing breaks, okay, if it breaks and we close a daily candle above $125, yep, get ready to start looking at 150 or 164. Once we close a daily candle above 164, start looking for all-time high for Quant. It is gearing up. I remember I was telling you guys about this when it was at $60, and I was telling you guys it has started. A lot of people are not listening. Okay, you're about to get surprised by this. You will get surprised. Anyways, now let's look at Jasmine right quick. Like I told you guys, I'm just going to brush through it because there is no need, wasting time on this. Jasmine is going to dump. Bitcoin dumps, like you can see. See that? I guarantee you, if you go look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin don't. I guarantee that to you right now. You know what? Let's go do that. Let's go look at Bitcoin right quick. Because everybody else is talking about, oh yeah, Bitcoin is going to the moon and this and that. You enter your trade and blah, blah, blah. And I'm telling you guys, if you do that, you are about to lose your money. That's what you're about to do. If you look at Bitcoin, see that? This is what a lot of people are talking about, diamond pattern. For a diamond pattern to happen, you need to have 2 touches on each line. Like for example, let's see. Let me put a line right quick. Let me draw a diamond pattern for you guys. That way, maybe it will make some sense if I draw it. Okay, so let's see. If you have this right here, that will be 1. Okay, and you also have, let's do it again, trend line. You draw another 1 right here. It's not going to be perfect again because I'm on my phone, guys. You draw another 1 there, and you go again, draw another 1 right there. Okay, this is the diamond pattern. Okay, this right here. This is what they are drawing. Everybody else is telling you, yeah, it's a diamond pattern is happening. But one I'm telling you, even before even you look at what's the name? Before you even look at what the Japanese bank is about to do, just a simple TA will show you this. For a diamond pattern to happen, you need to have 2 touches on each line. Like, you see how it came? 1, you need to come back. 2, you need to come back 2 here, come back down to the middle, and then 3. The same happens here. It goes up 1, 2, it goes up 3, it comes back. 2 touches on each line before that. But what you're looking at, there is no 2 touches here. There is not. There is no 2 touches here neither. There is not. It's just 1 touch, 1 touch, 1 touch, and up. Okay? The only one, even here, is just 1 touch, up, 1 touch. It's not a diamond pattern. This is just reversing. And even if it was a diamond patterns are 50-50 chances. 50-50, it could break up or it could break down. But I'm telling you, this thing is going to go crashing downward. So yeah, be careful. Be careful to who you listen to. Because I've seen people lose a lot of money with this thing. Guys, I've seen people lose a lot of money. This is not a diamond pattern. It's not. It's not a diamond pattern. This is just, I don't know. Like I told you guys, it was a channel, okay? This channel, you see the blue channel that was going upwards? That is what it was. We broke down out of it, okay? Because it would have been wrong for this thing to break up. That would have been a straight line up. You see, we broke out of it, came back, retest. Now Bitcoin is going down. This thing is dropping and it's going to go all the way. Even without, like I said, without looking at what the Japanese bank is doing, this thing is going to drop all the way down to $90,000. That's where it is going. Now, if it is worse, it maybe dip probably 85 or something, or 87, and then take off from there. Okay? Bitcoin is long-term, yes, it's bullish. Like I said, they're going to pump this thing to 140 or anything between 140 to $180,000. And then you will see. I just hope that this move that is coming, as you already see, we're on the 4 hours, the ribbon has already started to curve. And as you can see, the signs are there, guys. The signs are there. If something starts to test the resistance too much, it eventually breaks it. As you can see, look at the ribbon. It is curving already. See that? We try to break, it got recovered. Try to break, got recovered. Now it's again coming again to see if it will break. The 3rd time might be the charm before this thing before this thing starts to go down to retest the 99 or $100,000. If it doesn't bounce from here, depends on what day. Because I'm telling you guys, by Friday this thing is going to crash, and you will see. Okay, don't say I did not warn you. If you look at it on the 1 hourly, let's see the 1 hour right quick. See, this is the 1 hour, and this is the funniest part of it. Everybody is calling, yeah, we're pumping, where are we doing this? Normally, the 1 hour shows you the direction of the price. I don't trade using the 1 hour. I just look at the direction of the price. As you can see the ribbon turning red already. price is breaking down. You see, it tried to break up, but nope, it got pushed down. If you look at closely the moving average, sorry about that. If you look at the moving average, it's looking like it has started to curving too. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I think for me, I'm gonna sit on the sidelines until after Friday. Like I told you guys, a week and a half, and you will see. And another thing you can look at this. Instead of forming a higher low, we formed a lower high on Bitcoin. See that? We formed a lower high. It tries to break out, it couldn't. So yeah, let's see what happens. Probably gonna come back down a little bit, try to form another lower high and keep on going. But yeah, it is what is happening right now. And as long as Bitcoin is dumping, unfortunately, Jasmine is gonna dump. That's what it is. So yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, unfortunately, that's what it is. Okay, therefore, in my millionaire journey, I try to prepare you guys for these events. Excuse me. Yeah, I try to prepare you guys for these events because we can't avoid them. They're going to happen. We're in a bull run, so please, if I were you, I wouldn't short the market because it can reverse without any warning. Okay, so yeah, please don't do that. Now let's go look at the prices. Let's look at my what do you call it? Excuse me. Let's go look at my positions right quick. But before we go there, again, please, do not leverage trade if you do not have experience. I would advise you just buy the coins on spot. And the coins I'm talking about, okay, King Casper #1, because that thing, I'm telling you, Casper is going to $10. Like the other guy said, $15. Okay. #2, Quant. #3, Jasmine. Those coins, you need to have them in your portfolio. Guys, they are going to make you a lot of money. Not financial advice, but it's what I am doing. Now, you want to look at the high risk, high reward part? Look at Cubic. Cubic is going to make you a lot of money once that thing starts to build its ecosystem. Look at Terra Luna Classic, guys. Terra Luna Classic, nobody's talking about it. But again, I usually tell you guys, follow the money, right? For some reason, Binance, the biggest exchange in the world, they are still investing in Terra Luna Classic. They're burning the coins. They are still doing a lot on that chain. I don't know for what reason, but again, they have the money. All I have to do is follow the money, okay? Just buy those coins on the spot and forget about leverage if you do not have experience. Now, if you want to venture into leverage trading, down below, I do have Phemex, Bydfi, and Margex. Those 3 links are below. Sign up. Oh, come on. You sign up, meet their deposit bonuses. Once you meet those deposit bonuses, they are going to give you a lot of money. I'm not talking about $10 or $20. They are going to give you thousands of dollars. Those thousands of dollars, do like I did. Again, it's the whole purpose of this my millionaire journey. I show you guys everything I do. And what I did, once I got that money, I took $400 it was, if I don't remember wrong. I started practicing. Okay, leverage trade on the 1 hour time frame. When the MACD goes up on overbought, you sell. When it goes down to over sell, you buy. You do that. Just follow MACD, follow RSI, look at the moving ribbon, start trading. That, guys, it might not seem like nothing, but there you're going to learn. You're going to learn a lot. Like, you're going to learn how to open your trade, I have a tutorial how to use Bydfi. If you want to search in my videos, you will see it there. But it's going to help you how to open a trade, how to scale up that trade, how to take profits, how to do all that stuff. It's going to show you. And again, the reason I'm telling you to do this is not just to gain experience, but also to make those mistakes. You're going to make mistakes, trust me, whether you like it or not. And it's even better, much more better, for you to make the mistakes using $100 or $200 versus making a mistake by using thousands of dollars. Guys, please. And I do recommend Bydfi because it's very, very beginner friendly. Okay. Anyways, now let's go look at my Bydfi right quick. Right here. Bydfi. Oh crap, not this one. Here. Sorry. Let's go look at my Bydfi right quick. You guys already know. There, I am trading. Crap. Okay, hold on. Let me log in right quick. Okay, thank you for waiting. Here, you guys already know. Here, I am trading Quant and Casper. Yeah, I'm still a little bit low. Like as you can see, I'm down my overall 15,600. Okay. All right, sorry about that. I am down 15,600. And then when you look at my contracts, you will see that, come on, this thing needs to load up fast enough. Come on. Let's see. Okay, there we go. See, price Casper still going down. Just like I told you guys, this thing is going to drop. But anyways, regardless, look at here. On my contracts, on my Casper, I am still down 30%, which is $2,100. And on my Quant, I am up 13%, which is $1,300. You guys remember yesterday I was up almost $2,000, and I told you that's not what I'm looking for. I will show you this account in 6 figures. Okay, we have 6 to 8 months to go. Anyways, I am a very aggressive trader, guys. As you can see, you can pause this video and you will see it. I trade at 50x, and what I do, I scale up my position so bad, like my liquidation drops almost nothing. For my Casper, my liquidation is at 6 cents, and for my Quant, my liquidation is at $40. Okay, you can pause the video and you can check this out. Now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. On Phemex, you guys already know there I'm trading Casper and I'm also trading Jasmine. Okay, see that I'm down. Yesterday I think I was up $12,000 or so. Today I am 10,300 on my overall. And when you look at my my contract, see, Jasmine still dropping 2.6 cents. Like again, I'm expecting it to drop to 1.5 cents. That's what I'm waiting for. Anyways, if you can see 2.6 cents, but again, I am a very aggressive trader. You can pause the video. You can see this 50x in my my trading strategy, and my liquidations are so low. Looking at my Jasmine, I am down 34%, which is $3,500. On my Casper, I am down 38%, which is $2,100. Liquidation on Casper is at 7 cents, and my liquidation on Jasmine is 0.008, less than a cent. So yeah, I'm not expecting it to drop that low. But anyway, let's see how the market reacts, how everything goes, and let's let's make that money. Understand? On my Margex, let me go look at my Margex right quick. Those, like I said, I do have my buy orders there because I'm expecting prices to drop, and once they drop, yeah, we're gonna make that money. Excuse me, let me sign in. Well, for some reason it's not letting me log in. I guess I'm too far from my Wi-Fi. Anyways, like let's go back here. Open it there. But anyways, you guys already know I do have buy orders. I do have a $20,000 at 20x buy order on Casper, 2 of them. I also have the same on Jasmine because I'm expecting these things to drop. Okay, anyways, that's it, guys. You guys already know, so please do not get left holding this hot potato. It's about to happen, and a lot of people are not even ready for it. I hope I explained it better, and I am preparing you for this. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment. I would like to know exactly what you think about all this that I've just talked about. Okay, do you think I'm right? Am I wrong? Am I crazy? It's up to you. Yeah, regardless, I do respect everybody's point of opinion. And also don't forget to share. That way other people with millionaire minds, just like you and me, can see this information, so that YouTube can also push it for other people to learn, and then we can learn from them as well. Okay, that's it, guys. Please, until I see you on my next one, take very good care of yourself, and bye-bye.